Having these sidewalks means a great deal because it brings neighborhoods closer together.
Finally, after so many years,
I know, right? I know it.
My name is Cecilia Acosta. I have lived in this neighborhood for the last 80 years. I depend on my chair all the time because really I can't stand too long. I can't walk too far. Before, I would use the driveway to go get on the V-Trans, but the driveway was nothing but mud or rocks, and you know, it was all messed up.
It's extremely important because we have older communities, older neighborhoods, and a lot of these neighborhoods don't have sidewalks. And so with individuals like Mr. Acosta that's in a wheelchair, she needs to have the ability to go from point A to point B, up and down the street, visit neighbors. So having these sidewalks means a great deal because it brings neighborhoods closer together. And to see the look on her face, I mean, it's amazing. It's a beautiful thing. Just a small thing saying she can use her wheelchair on the sidewalk, turn around on the sidewalk, and come back to her house. It's just, it's an amazing thing, and the look on her face is just, it's priceless.
It's wonderful, it's easy, I mean, it's real smooth and everything. No, yes.
So happy for you. This is good. This is good. Now I got to keep you home because you'll be out in the streets now, go up and down the sidewalk.
When it's a good day in the evening, I go up and down the street.
That's good.
Yeah, I do.
That's good.